Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. I say that very often, but makeup excites me. This is a makeup channel, and this collection in particular is in collaboration with Barbie by Colourpop, and I just could not be more excited about this collection because I collected them. Like, it was ridiculous that I even played with Barbies up until the age of 14. Me and my best friend, we just secretly loved playing with each other, playing Barbies with each other up until we were 14, while everybody else was just like over Barbies at this point. But we were not. We were probably the only teenagers that still loved playing with Barbie. And yeah, I just had an obsession with them. So seeing this collection, I was just, girl, I was so excited. And if you guys grew up on Barbie as well, then I'm sure you guys are going to really enjoy this collection here. Everything is pink, so I mean, if you guys are not into pink or Barbie, then this video is probably not going to be for you. Before we do jump into the review and tutorial of this look that you guys are seeing here, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel, and also give my video a thumbs up down below. It really helps my video be seen by other people. Even if you don't watch all the way through, I would really appreciate that. It helps my engagement so much more than you guys probably understand. So yeah, just leave me a comment with some emojis if you don't have time. Just like leave me a little emoji down there. Let's go ahead and jump into a review, and then I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how I achieve this look that you guys are seeing here. So yeah, let's jump in.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
This collection is actually available today, May 13th. I hope I'm posting it on the day that I filmed this, but if not, it's available now. You guys can shop. The link down below in my description box. I do earn commission based on you clicking on that link and shopping. And I also do have a discount code for you, which is not affiliated with Colourpop, so I don't earn anything if you guys use the code. So I just earn based off of that link. So I'll have that code listed down below. You get $5 off any purchase with Colourpop. Let me show you guys what I received here. We have this Super Shock highlighter right here. This is what the packaging looks like. It's so adorable, and this one is in the color Beach Party. Here she is, and this is the back of it. One thing I do not like about these super big Super Shock shadows, it's not just this one, with this collection in particular. Every Super Shock shadow that I received comes in this big container, and it's just like super difficult to get opened. But yeah, this one is really pretty, and the Super Shock shadow formula. Why do I keep saying shadow? Is it shadow? Yeah, Super Shock highlighter, not shadow. Highlighter, like the formula is just so good. You guys can see how that looks. You guys can also see it on my cheeks right here. I think this is pretty for medium skin tones. I don't know if there's going to be different colors of these Super Shock shadows, but this is the one that I received. And then next we have the Malibu Barbie Colourpop eyeshadow palette. I'm just showing you guys the carton because I already took the palette out, but this is what this one looks like. And here is the back, and it has the eyeshadow names right over here. And here is the palette. It looks exactly like the carton. It also has the eyeshadow names right on the back. And let me show you guys the inside. It actually comes with a mirror right here. I haven't been able to take off this sticker because of my nails, but it does have a really good size mirror, and here are all the vibrant eyeshadow colors. You guys can see how perfect these are for summer, and just as the weather starts to warm up, I always gravitate towards wearing a lot of pinks and oranges and yellows and just vivid colors. I don't know what it is about summer that just makes me want to use a lot more colors. So I definitely love this eyeshadow palette so much. It also has a pop of color with this pretty blue shadow right here. Look at that. That is so vibrant. I'm going to show you guys some swatches of this eyeshadow palette only because I'm not going to be using all of these eyeshadows in today's video, obviously. I just want to show you guys how stunning these shadows are, and I can't wait to do more looks using this eyeshadow palette. All of the shimmers are gorgeous. The mattes that I used at least, blended out like a dream, and I can't wait to use the rest of them. But yeah, this is what this eyeshadow palette and all of the eyeshadows in the palette look like. I also received some lip duos. There's different lipsticks here, as you guys are seeing. I'm going to show you guys some pictures that I found on the website so you guys can take a look at them. I don't want to swatch them only because I'm not going to be getting a lot of use out of a lot of them, so I'd rather give them away to somebody that will. They're not my cup of tea, I'm not gonna lie. The only one that I did like is the one that I'm currently wearing right now, and yeah, that's that. The collection also contains a mirror, and it comes in a little box like this. This is the carton. It's a hand-sized mirror, and here is the mirror right here. It is super tiny. I don't know, I just feel like it's too small. It was kind of difficult to actually do my makeup with this. I don't know, I'm just used to having a lot bigger mirrors. But yeah, it's Barbie. It comes inside of this little foam thing just to protect it. I thought that was really cute. And that is what the mirror looks like. Again, this is just too small for me, but it's cute. And then last but not least, we have some Faux Lashes. These are, I think, synthetic eyelashes. Doesn't really say on here, but this is what the packaging looks like. I obviously have the eyelashes on my eyes right now, so yeah, this is basically it. Has little hearts inside. Really cute, and the eyelash style that I'm currently wearing is called Doll Eyelashes. So now I'm going to go ahead and jump into a little mini tutorial on how I achieved this beautiful eye look, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, my friend, so the first eyeshadow that I took is the color Zuma Beach, and that's this brown shade right here. I often get questions about the eyeshadow brushes that I'm using, so I always like to mention them in my videos. I'm using the Sigma E60 large shader brush to pack on this color into the crease area, and I'm just packing on this color. I'm not blending this out at all. Once I have done that, I'm going to move over to my next color, which is called Best Coast, and this is a very bright hot pink color. It has a really cute heart imprint in the eyeshadow color. I'm gonna start by packing this eyeshadow over the previous color, which is that brown shade that I used. To apply this color, I'm using the Sigma E27 Detail Blending Brush. I'm packing it on, and then as it's already packed on, I'm going to start to blend out the edges with this brush. Once I'm really happy with how blended it is, I'm going to move over to my next shade, and this one is called Make Waves. This is such a light color. I feel like it could be like an everyday or even a transition color. And for this color, I want to use a much fluffier brush. This one is a pretty big one. This is also from Sigma, and it's the Soft Blend 20 eyeshadow brush. And I'm just taking some of this shadow here called Make Waves and just applying it on top of the other colors. And this is just really going to diffuse it and make it look super blended out. This is the last color I'm going to be using before we move on to the next step. For the next step, I'm going to be cutting my crease, and to cut my crease, I always have this brush listed in my description box because this is my most asked about brush. This is just the technique that I find the easiest for when I do cut my crease. If you struggle doing a really sharp cut crease, then you should try out this brush. This brush is a detailed brush that you can pick up from your local Michaels store, and this is the level 2 detail brush. This is a painting brush, but I use it for my eyes because I really like the bristles of this brush, and it's really easy to control where you're applying your cut crease. I'm gonna also use the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Primer, and I'm using the shade number 2. This is also the primer that I used before applying all of these eyeshadows, which I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video. But I'm using this brush with the concealer, like I said, to cut the crease, and the bristles just move to wherever your hand moves, and just make sure that you have full control by placing your hand. If you're a beginner, place your hand onto your cheek so that you're not shaking so much and it's easier to do, or just have your elbow onto your makeup table. Those are just some quick little tips. Once I have cut the crease, I'm going to move over to my next shade, and the next shade that I really wanted to utilize is called Vintage Doll. Vintage Doll is such a cute color. Let me show you guys. It's hard to describe it. Like, it kind of looks darker, but once it's on the eyes, it looks a lot lighter. So we're going to be placing this to the beginning portion of the cut crease and just setting that primer that we applied on the eyes. To do so, I'm using the Luxie 245 small shader brush. This is a flat brush. If you have a flat brush, then just use that. any flat brush will do. Just make sure that you do stay underneath the crease area. And once you've done that, you can use the same exact brush to move on to the next color. The next color I picked up is called Follow the Sun, and this is a very vibrant shimmery pink. I'm placing this right on top of the other color, but just kind of meeting it in the middle and blending it together so that it kind of looks like a really nice gradient effect. You want everything to look blended. You don't want to see that division of two colors. I see a lot of people doing that, and I don't know if it's intentional, but for my preference, I like everything to look blended. I don't like to see division between two colors. Once that's done, we're going to move on to the next color. I do like to utilize a lot of colors, only so you guys can get a good idea of the performance of these eyeshadows and what they actually look like once they're on the eye. I'm going to take the color Best Coast once again, and I'm going to be taking the Sigma E30 pencil brush, and I'm applying that color Best Coast, which is the hot pink matte color. I'm placing it right on top of that previous color, and by placing colors on top of colors, it kind of makes it easier to blend instead of just placing it away. I don't know if I'm making sense. It's just, it'll look nice, okay? Just do that. Once we have that hot pink down, we're gonna go ahead and place our last shade, which is the brown. And this brown is not as dark and deep as I wanted it to. It doesn't really look nice on top of the pink, but this is what I did, and I just wanted to show you guys a step-by-step on exactly what I did. This brown is just not darker than that pink. That's why it kind of looks a little bit weird when it's reversed. But I went ahead and I applied it to the outer edge of the eye, and I also took a much fluffier blending brush. I went back with the Sigma Soft Blend 20 brush, and I just really wanted to make sure that that brown was blended out at the outer corner and really diffused so that everything just starts to tie in together, and that completes the eye makeup portion of this look. I'm going to go ahead and apply the eyelashes from this collection, and they are the doll lashes. These are faux lashes. They're cruelty free. I think they're just perfect for the everyday type of person, somebody that's not used to wearing bold, big eyelashes. I definitely do like a little bit more fluff and more boldness. Once the eyelashes are on, we're going to move on to the Super Shock highlighter. The Super Shock highlighter is really pretty. If you guys are familiar to the Super Shock formula, this is exactly what it is, but in a highlighter form. If you guys can see, it has this little thing right here. I wish it had two more right here so that you're able to kind of like get this opened up, but it doesn't, so it's kind of tricky for me, especially because I do have nails. This is a champagne color. I think this would work really great for medium skin tones like my own. Yeah, I really like this formula so far, and I really love the packaging of it. The fact that it says Barbie and everything. It's super pink and super cute. We're going to move along to the final product that's a part of the collection. I received 3 lip kits. I used the Dream House lip pencil with the Golden Beach lipstick. Now, before I leave you guys, I mentioned that I have not been making videos for the past couple of weeks because life has just gotten the best of me, and I was doing a giveaway, I think, right before I took a little break. And I wanted to let you guys know who the winner is. I'm trying to do weekly giveaways here on my channel, so just make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so you're notified every single time that I do have a new video, because you never know when I will have a giveaway. And let me just tell you guys who won my last giveaway. So for my last giveaway, my winner here is Lydia Ortuno. Please send me an email. I have my email listed in my description box. Send me an email so that I can send you your products. I added an extra thing from the last time I showed you guys what I was doing. I'm going to be giving away this Animal Crossing blush. Oh, actually, this is the eyeshadow palette. Really cute. Oh, shoot. The slip is coming out. So I'm going to be giving this to you, Lydia, and also it comes with the Animal Crossing blush and a Revlon eyeshadow palette here. I have done a Revlon full face on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll have that video linked up here. I'm also going to send her this nail polish. It's a burnt orange color, and what else? We have this extra Lip Be Shot exfoliating serum from Pop Beauty. So these goodies are going to be yours, Lydia. Please send me your email. Again, it's listed down below. And you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. If you guys have any questions for me regarding this collection, don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm trying to ease my way back into making videos again. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!